In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Behance profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where everything lives in the editor and how to make each section work harder for your creative brand. Start by heading to Behance.net in your browser. Once you're signed in, click your profile image in the top right corner to open your account menu. From there, select Edit Profile Info. This takes you into the profile editor, where the sections are listed in a clear panel so you can move through them without getting lost. Begin with basic information. This is your foundation: your display name, a short professional headline, your creative fields, and your location. Keep your headline concise and keyword-rich, like brand designer specializing in visual identities and packaging. Update your availability if you're open to new work, and make sure your profile photo is crisp and recognizable. Little details like these help your work get discovered in searches and invitations. Next, go to Work Experience. Add roles that are relevant to the kind of work you want now. Include your title, the organization, dates, and a short description focusing on outcomes and responsibilities. Think in terms of measurable impact and tools used, and keep it scannable. If you've had overlapping roles or freelance gigs, list what's most meaningful for your portfolio and keep phrasing professional and concise. Move on to teams. If you collaborate with studios, collectives, or company teams on Behance, add them here so viewers can see your community and partnerships. This adds credibility and context to your projects. Open on the web to connect your professional links, such as your website and social profiles. Use full URLs, keep the list tidy, and only include links that reflect your best work. Consistent handles and clean naming help people find and remember you. Head to About Me to write a short bio. Aim for 2 to 4 sentences that highlight who you are, what you do best, the tools or industries you focus on, and what you're looking for. Keep it friendly, confident, and specific. Avoid sharing personal contact details you don't want public. Your website or contact settings can handle inquiries safely. Finally, click links to add any extra resources you want to spotlight, like press mentions, interviews, or important project pages. Use clear titles so visitors know exactly what they'll find. When you're done, scan through everything for spelling, clarity, and consistency. Preview your profile, and if possible, check it on mobile to confirm it looks great everywhere. That's it. Your Behance profile is polished and ready to attract the right eyes.